A big shakeup in foldable smartphones might come soon, as Samsung is rumored to be launching the world's first phone that folds in 3 places this year. This groundbreaking device is called the Galaxy Z Flex. In today's video, we are going to talk about this rumored Galaxy Z Flex and know about what it might offer. So, without further ado, let's get started. The quest for the perfect foldable design. Ever since Samsung kicked off the modern foldable phone craze with the original Galaxy Fold in 2019, phone makers have been trying to create the ideal foldable design. Current foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip are part phone, part tablet, but their screens are still quite small when folded up. A phone that folds in 3 places could solve this by providing a huge tablet-sized screen when fully unfolded, while still being pocketable when closed up. Samsung has been working on making this trifold concept a reality for years, even showing off an S-shaped multi-folding prototype called the Flex S back in 2022. Potential features and design. People are whispering about Samsung's secret Galaxy Z Flex being a phone that folds in multiple places. The word is that it will fold in 3 different hinged sections in an S shape. But the eye-catching part is that people are saying that when you unfold it, the Z Flex might have a huge screen the size of a tablet, maybe even bigger than the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. If these rumors are true, that gigantic screen could allow you to do some seriously cool stuff. People are chatting that you may be able to run multiple different apps side by side on the huge display for better multitasking. Some folks are even gossiping that you could use the fully unfolded Z Flex like a tiny dual-screen laptop, with an on-screen keyboard. But the folding fun doesn't stop there. The buzz suggests that when folded partially in the S shape, the Z Flex might work as the ultimate video watching or gaming device, with movies and games spanning across that curve. And when closed up, rumors indicate the Z Flex will be wider than the current foldable, more like a thicker regular smartphone. This could allow you to use it one-handed much easier than today's super tall folding phones. No one knows the actual Z Flex's specs and details yet, since it's still a total secret. But if Samsung's other foldables are any hint, the whispers say the Z Flex will probably pack top-notch hardware like a super-fast processor chip, tons of RAM, maybe 8 GB or more, and loads of storage starting at 256 GB. Price and release date. Arguably the biggest obstacle is pricing. Foldable are already premium devices, with the Z Fold line starting at around $1,800. Adding that third folding section is sure to significantly increase costs. For the Z Flex to be more than a niche experiment, Samsung may need to aim for pricing below $2,000 to drive mainstream adoption. This could require compromises in other areas or relying on high production volumes. According to leaks, Samsung may unveil the trifold Galaxy Z Flex in August, alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The rushed timeline is likely because Samsung wants to beat Chinese rival Huawei to launch the world's first trifold phone. Final thoughts. Whether the Z Flex arrives in 2023 or not, trifold smartphone designs feel inevitable as foldable keep evolving. As the company that kickstarted the foldable revolution, launching a true tablet smartphone could help Samsung retain its innovation edge. But bringing such an ambitious and proven design to market won't be easy. If executed perfectly, the Galaxy Z Flex could change how we use mobile devices. But if not, it risks being an overpriced gimmick. The foldable future is coming. Samsung just has to nail this triple folding act. That's all about the Galaxy Z Flex. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friend if you find it interesting, and let us know your thoughts about the Galaxy Z Flex in the comment below.